Alright YouTube, I got a project for you. I just took the big S&S can right here off of the Ironhead. I replaced it with a piece I made. And here it is. If you could see, I get a lot better airflow than if it was to be covered up by this all the way around. And everybody's worried about, well, there's a cone in the side of it. Well, I believe all this extra air being all the way around it for it to grab air is gonna make it pretty similar to this, if not better, because the carburetor is only gonna suck as much air as it wants. Now I do need to get an extra screw right here, but the way, if you're worried, if you want to know how I made this, got this piece to fit on here so close. Back here on this plate, when you take the front piece off, there'll be 3 bolts on the inside of it. Take that, and back here on the back is your choke handle. Right down here, take this screw out, and then you can just take and press this on a piece of this whole back plate right here. It's got your studs on it. Take and set it on a piece of cardboard or straight onto your steel that you want to make this plate out of, and trace it and cut it out. Put it up there, mark your holes, drill them out, and it fits right on. Now, a lot of people are wondering, why would I change this? Because this looks a whole lot better than this, obviously. Well, this you can paint and make it match your bike, or you can leave it raw, whatever, your preference. But this thing is way too big and bulky. I mean, we're talking easy 1/8 inch steel, if not bigger. It weighs probably, 2-3 pounds. A piece of steel weighs maybe an ounce. And also, if you sit on the bike, you can sit on it, and your leg isn't really in a bind to get to your brake pedal over here, your rear brake pedal on the right. You can get to your foot peg pretty easy. With this can in the way, it kind of sets it offset by another, maybe 1/4 of an inch, because the studs right here are bulged out. Makes it really difficult to get to. So it just makes it a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more comfortable to get your leg in. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down there in the slot, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, till then, keep going. Bye.